Guys, I've got a problem with my car. As you saw, the engine just keeps making strange noise. It just kind of rough idle. I don't know what's happened to it, but it's been a long time since it just keeps making this noise, and even the whole vehicle jerks with the noise. And when I engage the car, for example reverse, I don't know if you felt it, the whole car jerks with that noise, and each time that noise is made by the engine, the whole vehicle jerks, just as you can feel it. And the vehicle is shaking, it jerks me as well, and I keep shaking as well, as you can feel while I'm filming. I don't know what the problem is. It will be highly appreciated if someone tells me what it is. Thank you very much. By the way, it's a sports, but these 3 buttons for sports, not that. It's a 1994 325 TDS with 200,000 kilometers on it. Thank you. There you go.